I am recovering from a common cold and I have purposefully not planned my month in my digital planner so we can do it together. So let's do that now. This is my lock screen on my iPad. This is my lock screen on my phone. Super cute. Then we're gonna go into the iPad, and then this is my home screen. We're gonna go into GoodNotes and we're gonna start planning. So this is March in my planner. By the way, I made this planner available for free if you wish to get your hands on it. So you can click the link in my description box, and then this is where we're gonna spend a lot of our time. This is like my fun way of planning. I don't have to do this. All of this information lives rent-free in Google Calendar, which is literally free. So I don't need to do this, but it's like a creative outlet. So I have waited until I have partially recovered so that we could do this together. So this is read-only mode. I'm gonna go out of read-only mode. Housekeeping, I'm using an Apple iPad Pro 11-inch and a Pencil Pro. Now I've rummaged through my March stickers. I found this. I feel like I've used this before. I don't really love that aesthetic, but I'm gonna leave it here. I found this pale green aesthetic, which I feel like I've used this before, but that could be cute. I'm into green for March. I found some holiday stickers, some more holiday stickers, and then I found these stickers. What I think we're gonna do is go to January. Yep. We're gonna turn off everything but handwriting, or everything but text, which that's still gonna be an issue. And I'm gonna copy the numbers on this page, which are text, and I'm gonna bring them over and I'm gonna paste them here. It did bring over the other text, but it's okay because we can get rid of them pretty easily. Then I'm gonna take 1, 2, and 3 and put it here, and then I'm gonna come back and paste it here. And that should be a good first, like a little jumping off spot. Not perfect, but good enough to where we don't have to spend a bunch of time trying to date this. Actually, I think that does the trick altogether. Let's look at the month. The month ends on Tuesday, which is the 31st. That'll do it. That'll do it. The one thing I want to do, I think, this month is I just want to add a little bit of color. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to shape. I haven't used the shape tool in a minute, but here's what I think I'm going to do. What I think I'm going to do is, first of all, require hold to snap. Yes. And I want the fill color. I actually don't want the outline of it, but I'll deal with that in a minute. So I'm going to go down and make what's like a rectangle, and I'm going to edit it to be about like that. Then I didn't want the border, so I pressed the undo button, and now I just want to change this to green. So I need to turn on, I'm going to turn everything back on, and I want to change this to green. So I'm going to pick like maybe that one, and then I just want to put that over top just to add a little color. Then I'm going to duplicate and go down. Then I'll duplicate these together. I don't know that I've ever done this necessarily, but I think it just adds like a cute little pop of color, which I am into. And then we'll do it for the top row as well. The first, there was silent book club and church. So let's do church. I feel like you can't see it, can you? A little bit. Church was at 10:15 as always. And then silent book club was from 1 to 3. And I'm gonna just arrange these how I may. I think I'm gonna do something like this. Now, here's the real kicker. Are we gonna add in any of these bold ones like spring forward? which I think we do next week. Yeah, they don't look bad. I always act like I'm going to use a different color font and then I normally end up back at black. I'm going to go with dark green for now, but we'll see. Okay, for the second, well, actually, I was off work this whole week so far due to sickness, so maybe we'll use this to mark that. Seems a bit dramatic. Seems a bit dramatic, but maybe. And then there was a networking call here. Of course, I didn't attend it. I didn't attend anything at all this week, but that was at 2 p.m. I do like to mark when we're having those. I'm gonna toggle off the images so that this doesn't move while I am moving this around. On Tuesday, I had a Mr. Appliance appointment because of our washing machine needing repair. That was basically 10 o'clock. Actually, the appointment wasn't even for this day, but they had an opening and I was homesick, so I said, of course, come on. Then on Wednesday, had some work meetings that I didn't attend, of course. Nothing on Thursday, which is today. Tomorrow, we have the Special Olympics. Hopefully I'm well enough to attend, so I'm going to put that on here. It's at 8:30. Columbia date. So I'm going to Columbia with my husband to do some running around and such, and I think that's at like 12. Church, going to duplicate that. Duplicate it again and duplicate it again. I don't even know when this is, but I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm assuming it's the 8th, is it? Yeah, I think it is. So I'm gonna actually move this up here. Okay, that's cute. Now the real kicker is, am I gonna switch to this green? Let's see. Wait, this is the green here. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Why not? What do I have to lose by making this green? Nothing. Founders at 6:30. CEU training, so I try to always attend those. And then on the 11th, we have another networking, and this one is at 6 p.m. I'm taking a professional development day, and before I go to my training, I'm going to drop off my dog for her comprehensive, which is at 10, and then I'm going to go to my training and hopefully be there by like 10:30 for, which is at 11, but of course I try to get there early, so that's my plan for that. We will see. And then there's a webinar for the Center for Financial Social Work. They have a monthly webinar each month on the second Thursday, and that is at 2 o'clock. And then on the 13th, just scheduled a friend date. Battery died, but I'm back. Where were we? I think we were on the 14th. Where are we? Let's assume we were there. On the 14th, I'm going to a planner event, y'all. I haven't been to a planner event in a minute. And it's called Planners. I'm just gonna put planner event, forget it. I'm not writing out all that. Planner event, and it is at 1 o'clock. On the 15th, church. Then we have a family reunion meeting. If you've been around, you know my family reunion meetings and like my whole family reunion is a serious situation. So we have to have a meeting, I guess, to decide where we're going and such. I have no idea. We don't have to have a meeting, but we are. And I'm at the age where I have to, you know, I feel like I need to start pulling my weight and planning something. So we will see. Anyway, I was supposed to have a virtual retreat. I was supposed to go to an in-person retreat with my financial social work colleagues. So we're going to try to do something virtual. So that's supposed to be on the 21st. And then my friend, so I was going to be out of town originally, but now I'm not. So then that opens up all these other plans that I wasn't going to be doing. So my friend is hosting a sip and read. My other friend and her crew is doing bunko. You know, I went to a bunko party in February. So I'm going to try to go to this. I think I can make it. History repeats itself here. And that is going to be happening that day. And then it's my niece's. Ooh. How old is sis turning? One of my nieces is having a birthday. I fear she may be 17. Or is she 16? I feel like she's 17. Now that's bonkers. And I don't really know the year she was born. I don't know how old anybody is for real. 26 is a professional development day. And then, you guys, my 2-week spring break starts. I'm trying to go to the Read Freely Fest if I make it. Then book club is happening. Maybe we'll copy that. We don't need any of these, right? Birthday, day off. Not really. So let's delete that. Let's see what these are made of. I'm not even gonna spend my time looking through those because I have a headache. No, I don't really have a headache, but I'm over it. I like to keep a little section here in case I need to throw something down here, you know, just because. But I know I said I didn't like that, but because the face is kind of creepy. Yeah, no. But we're gonna leave that down here because I think that's cute. Okay, I've already started adding in stuff for my mood board. And I already did my habits here. Since we're here, let's go ahead and update my habits. I'm using this green color. And I did do my skincare today. Look at my exercise. I should be ashamed. So far I'm doing low carb, low calorie, but we'll have to see. I don't think I'm going to spend any, I'm not on track to spend any money today. I did have a glass of wine yesterday, so there's that. I did take my meds though, and my vitamins, and I slept. And those are my habits. That's how I do that. And if I have any highs or lows or lessons or favorites or whatever to add in here, then I will. But I don't have any so far this month. Besides the lime slush Alani, which I fear is just a life favorite and it's not really a March favorite. So this is gonna be my setup for March. I fear I have gone ahead and set up my personal planner using my elements from my March subscription box that I got from Infinite Lotus. And well, I should have just done like a little flip through of everything that I got from Infinite Lotus or just showed it to you all just in a quick clip, but I didn't do that. So I have my planner here that we can flip through just to kind of show you how I set it up. As we know, I use pretty much the same system from month to month. I just change out things. I did, I guess, do a little switcheroo this month, but it's hardly noticeable. By the way, if I haven't mentioned it already, I've been sick the past couple of days. I'm on the tail end of it now. You can probably hear it in my voice. So that's why I didn't set up this on camera, because I didn't have the capacity to go through the motions of setting up this whole setup. So anyway, this is the little journaling card for March. Super cute. I think March is focused on wellness. I did get some stickers for March, but they're focused on wellness and I know I'm not going to use them. So I'm still going to use potentially these mauve stickers that I got last month in February. And then of course I put this card here, as I always do, to denote the month, which doesn't necessarily need to be done, but it's just something that I get in the subscription box. I'm still using this tool pen, I think in 0.7. Yeah, look at that. I'm pretty sure that's 0.7. If it's not, I'd be stunned. If it's not, it's definitely bigger than 0.7, but I'm assuming it's 0.7. Still using this dashboard because I love it. And then this fluted dashboard from Cloth and Paper. And then we have your body, your temple. And this dashboard that I got from Infinite Lotus. I got both of them in the March box. This still looks the same. These came from the Infinite Lotus March box. I do the same system literally every month. Haven't filled out any of that yet. I did dig out my March divider, which I think is from Cloth and Paper or Christina Loves Planning. I have black dividers and I have white dividers. And I set this up every month just because it's small and it quite literally would not fit the whole year or even probably 2 months. I feel like it's at capacity with just 1 month. But set this up similarly to what I do each and every month. The only caveat or the only tragedy is that this is the March divider that I got in the sub box, and I fear I am covering it up right now. So what I think we could do is maybe put it here, because like, what's the fun in that? Let's change that. Wait. Okay, it's not supposed to be covered up. Disregard. This is supposed to look like this, so it's not being covered up. Okay. Then we have the monthly. I did go ahead and set up this week. So we're here. No, we're not. We are here. I could take out these, actually. But it's okay, because when I start next week, I'll take out all of these and get rid of them, so that when I open up the weekly, I'm coming straight to the current week. But this is the current week at the filming of this video, which is the beginning of March. And then everything else looks the same. I did add in maybe one of the sheets that I got in the box, which is the movement tracker. The rest of them are focused on wellness, and I'm not saying I'm not focused on wellness. I'm just not going to track those wellness related things here in my planner. I just know me and I'm not going to do it. So those kind of remain. And then, as you know, I did sell a bunch of my inserts, I think last month. And should I keep getting these subscription boxes, I am going to sell another package or whatnot in the coming months. I'm trying to charge my, why isn't that charging? Okay, whew. I'm trying to charge my batteries because this one's about to die. So I need them to be charging. And then I just added this back here, which is super cute. Eat well and stay hydrated. I am using this green Right-Tic retractable marker, and I'm using it for the week, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It's super cute. Also, I need to find those green stickers wherever they went, but that's what it looks like. It's not quite green. It's like a yellow almost, but it's super cute. And then I put the avocado back here and the apples. This, of course. And then I put out these transparent stickers, these time blocking stickers that I got as a freebie from Cloth and Paper, simply because they were green and matched the aesthetic, and I do want to use them. Tragically though, I used the highlight for the week when I could have been using these. Wouldn't that have been cute? Now I'm trying to figure out how I can use one of these, just because, for the vibes. I do want to use these for all of March, if that be possible. Maybe we can put it up here or here. Just, you know, at this point we're just using the stickers. They were free and we're just using them. Okay. I think next week I will use them for the highlights as opposed to using the highlighter, maybe. Who knows? And then this actually happens to match. This is, that actually is kind of cute. Should we do it like that since we just used one? Not that big of a deal, but we did just use one, so I'm wondering. Oh well, we use it from the bottom, so that works. Okay, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're liking what you're seeing. Sorry for being a little nasally. And I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.